Working with NPZ files in a scientific computing or machine learning project, these contain compressed numerical data arrays, the backbone of Python's scientific computing ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load and process these data files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade NPZ file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. NPZ files are compressed archive files containing multiple NumPy arrays saved from the Python NumPy scientific computing library. They store named multidimensional numerical datasets used in machine learning signal processing, scientific simulation, and data analysis workflows. NumPy NPZ files use zip compression, containing multiple NPY array files, each storing a single NumPy ndarray with its shape, dtype, and data. The archive maps string names to arrays, enabling organized storage of related datasets, model parameters, and computed results. NumPy, via Python, developed by the NumPy community, is often used as the source validator for NPZ. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows can't decode the full data structure, so proper access must be done through the correct software. The easiest solution is often finding the right app. Right-click the NPZ file and choose Open With. Start with NumPy, via Python if available. If not, choose another option. Expect a little trial and error. If you are still having trouble opening the NPZ file, do not worry. Since this NPZ is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, loading in Python. Install NumPy with pip. Install NumPy and load the NPZ file using data numpy load file.npz. Access individual arrays by name using data array name. List all available arrays with data.files. The lazy loading mechanism reads arrays into memory only when accessed for efficient large dataset handling. Next, inspecting array contents after loading, examine array shapes and data types using data name shape and data name dtype. Print summary statistics with numpy, mean numpy.std, and numpy.minmax functions. Visualize arrays using matplotlib for 2D plots or 3D surface rendering depending on the data dimensionality. Finally, converting to other formats. Export NumPy arrays to CSV using numpy.savetxt for spreadsheet compatibility. Save to HDF5 format using H5py for large dataset interoperability with MATLAB and other scientific platforms. Convert to pandas data frames for tabular data analysis and export to Excel format using pandas.to.excel. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.